Hi everyone, so tonight I'm going to be working on this 2016 Nissan Frontier. I'm going to change the clock spring because it is messing with the cruise control. I discovered it when I was turning the steering wheel. It was turning on and off. We already changed the switch on the bottom, and we already changed the controller right over here. And then it did work for a second, but after that it didn't work because there's a short inside the clock spring. So I'm going to remove the clock spring. First, we're going to have to disconnect the battery, take out the negative, and then I connected, if you guys have one, a memory what do you call that, setting. And so what you need to do is get a round or some kind of a driver, push that little metal inside of this, and then that will release your airbag. And then we're gonna have to remove this plugs over here. Pull this one right here, up, and then take him out. Hold on, let me get a flat head so we can pull this out. So on this, pull up on this, there's a little tab right here. Pull up, and then pull up on the other side as well, and then just pop the airbag. So when you pull those tabs out, it actually comes out easily, just like that. And then on this one right here, it's a squeeze that little tab in the corner, I think, and then this should come off as well. So there's that little tab right there, and go ahead and remove your bag. Now that the bag is off, and then go ahead and unclip this. There's a little tab right there in the corner. That comes off, and now we're ready to remove the nut in the middle. Before you work on your steering wheel, make sure that you put it to dead center, and then go ahead and remove the 17mm. I have a gun, so I'm able to remove it easily. But if you don't have a gun, have someone hold the steering wheel, and then blast it off, or hold it and then take it out. All right, so removing the steering wheel is going to be hard. Just pound it, and then shake it off until it will come off just like this. And there is our clock spring, everyone. Go ahead and remove it. All right, so remove the 3 screws on the bottom right here. On the bottom, you can see it. It's a Phillips screw. And go ahead and pull this 2 out. That way we can dislodge or unscrew the screw right over there that holds them. I think there's 2 of them. Let's go find out if there's 2. See right there, the nuts over there on the inside. So let's go take those out. All right, so to take out the clock spring, squeeze this tab over here on top, right? And then squeeze the side right over here. Right here, squeeze the side. And then get a flathead and squeeze this gray right here. It'll release it. See the tab on both ends, and that should release the top. That should release this, and let's go ahead and replace the clock spring. All right, so unscrew the little screws right here on top. Actually, let me go get the part. All right, so there's a screw right here in the middle of the screen. 1, and then 1 right here, 2, and then 1 right here, 3. And then unscrew this piece right over here, 4. So there are 4, and then go ahead and remove that steering angle sensor. I think that's the angle sensor. Hold on. All right, so once you release that, make sure that the position of this angle right here, the steering wheel angle, is always up to the right a little bit. Sorry, but I'll show you later. So to remove the signal and the controller button, go ahead and squeeze this tab right here. There are 2 of them, 1 on each side. And once you squeeze them both and pull it out, it'll come off. All right, so I took it out and I transferred it right away to the other side. Make sure it's the same like that, okay? That way you don't get confused to which side it is. So let's remove the other side as well. So I transfer them together right away. Just clip it and then make sure that those pins are put in correctly. The one in the center and this one right here. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and put the 3 screws over here on top, and make sure that when you put back this electronics right here, it matches the notch over there on each side of them. Okay, and then we're gonna put oil on here so it doesn't squeak. All right, we're almost done here. All right, everyone, so pay attention to the orientation of everything on this. So everything is back, just like what I said. Just be careful and don't remove this plastic here until you're fully done, because you don't want to be rotating that clock spring. Anyway, guys, everything is on the unit. Let's go ahead and plug everything back in as they should be plugged. All right. All right, so please put back the yellow first and then the gray after that. Don't, or you can put them together, but there's a lock mechanism on it. So yellow and then gray. Okay. Go ahead and put a little grease on there and on the inside. I don't know, just to, you know, nothing squeaks. All right, everything is plugged from the back, the one on top, the one on the side, 2 on the bottom. Everything is plugged. Now we gotta have to connect everything back, and hopefully everything works. So hopefully. All right, go ahead and put all the cover back. Let's go ahead and snap it. Hopefully. Let's go ahead and remove the lock right here. Steering wheel is back on. All right, so everything is in there. Always double check your work. Make sure there's no wire dislodge or anything at all. Go ahead and just align it. And then just pop it in. You hear a click. There you go. That's it, guys, and connect all the battery, make sure everything works, and let's test the cruise control. All right, everyone, so everything was plugged, and thank goodness everything is working. So the main culprit was the cruise control. It was never turning on and off before. It was only turning on at a certain angle when you do this. But now, check this out. I'm gonna press it. There it is. It activates it. Before, I never want to activate it. We're gonna go ahead and test drive, and thank you for watching, guys. I hope this helped you on how to remove your clock spring. Please be careful because it's an airbag module. Take care, everyone. God bless, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Nissan Frontier airbag, clock spring on the cruise control fix. So here it is. There you go. We can command it without any issue. God bless, everyone. Take care. Subscribe. Catch you in the next one.